How to do communication test. 1, 2, 3. Monitor service, print list. Dito pa mag i-print ng counter check, counter report. Yes. Then close. After that, monitor test tayo. Monitor service. Then communication test para ma-test natin yung communication niya sa network. Then start. Yes. Ayan, successful, then okay. And okay, done, and yan. Ganon.